we look at celebrities and wonder how lucky they are. They have such a fabulous life, larger than life living. But let's watch this a little closely. When you put a seed under the soil, watch it for some days, you water it, nourish it, the sapling comes out, the sapling grows bigger and we feel so great about it, and one day it's a big tree and we are looking at it and it's a great, wow, wonderful tree, what a strong tree giving fruits. What we don't notice is the growth of the root below. That tree is big and strong primarily because there's a strong root below which is supporting this huge structure on top, which keeps giving it nourishment by drawing all the nourishment from the soil, the water from the soil. We never notice it. We only notice how big the tree is, how lucky this celebrity is, he's been born with a silver spoon. We don't notice his roots, his culture, his upbringing, his value system, the amount of hard work he's put. And number one, the sacrifices is made and the discipline is shown. So the next time when you look at people like that, start looking at the roots and see what we can do with that information. Till next time, stay unstoppable.